Did you know coastal erosion can amplify storm surges by reshaping shorelines before a hurricane even makes landfall? The process wears away cliffs and dunes, letting higher waves reach further inland and push more water into habitats. Scientists monitor coastline shapes and beach nourishment projects to reduce risk and guide evacuation plans. When communities map erosion hotspots, they can strengthen barriers and adjust zoning to protect homes and ecosystems. So the next time a warning goes out, remember that tiny shifts underground and along the shore can set the stage for a much bigger flood.